Okay, today I'm gonna try to install a motorbike bicycle anti-theft alarm system. This thing costs like 16 bucks on Amazon. And if you watched my previous videos about this pocket bike, if you didn't, check them out. I got this made. I made this myself though. That's for my cell phone. And I'm gonna do a test drive on it and see how fast it goes. So, but in the meantime, I'm gonna install this. Okay, when we open the package, this is what we see. A remote control. You can put it on the keychain. And this is the siren. You can just pull this out, and it's gonna be ready to go. What they have here is, I don't know what that blue thing is. And those are probably the go right on the back. So you can actually stick it to your bicycle or motorcycle. And a small screwdriver and some zip ties. I'm just gonna try to install it, on zip ties and see how it works. Okay, so I installed it here, but this is just testing, I just want to see how it works, and I might switch a spot. And let's try to lock it. It's pretty loud. Okay, now it's engaged. And let's see how it works if I touch it. Let's just try to touch it. Oh, see? Okay. How about if I sit on it? There we go. See? It should stop though. Oh, see? That's pretty nice. Because if you touch it twice, it's gonna start yelling like this. That's pretty nice. That's like a real one. That's pretty cool. Okay. I didn't do anything yet. But okay, so when you touch it once, it's gonna give you a warning. See? Okay. If you touch it again in a couple of seconds, see? Then it goes off like all the way. See? And then let's just shut it off. I pressed this, didn't do anything. Unlock. There we go. So here you can change tones, and you can also adjust the sensitivity and stuff like that. But I like it the way it is preset, so it's pretty cool. Let's try to engage. There we go. See, and then it beeps once, and that means it's engaged. Let's try to see it again. There we go. It warns. Okay, I'm sitting. I moved and boom, it went off. So there we go. There we go. So it's pretty cool, guys. Preset already. You don't have to do anything. Just hide it somewhere. So it works for any motorcycle or bicycle. So yeah.